The budget sequestration is a glaring example of how our public policy makers are ignorant of the quality process. Ideology has taken over. Opposing sides no longer think of problems as something to solve. They hold on to assumptions and preconceived notions. No one is listening. No one is enriching the decision-making process. No one is looking for a way to optimize solutions. Simply put, we are letting this broken process delay economic recovery, cause more pain in the long run. When you close your eyes to the root of your problems, you let the problems grow to the point where you believe that extreme measures are needed. In this case, we are using fire to chase out the bugs in our house. But now we are destroying things that matter, things that we need. And the worst part about it is that the bugs will survive.